It's like you keep on eating, and I keep on making. I'm like I'm in the kitchen, and I keep on cooking. I keep making noise, and you all keep on looking, checking. Oh, 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 oh. This is in the oven. Oh, 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 oh. It's on 350. And you know that I'm baking. You keep on cooking, and you keep on taking calorie after calorie. You keep getting fat. You still keep getting thicker, but you know that I keep on moving. You know what? Keep on grooving. A little rosemary, a little oregano. You all cooking. A little bit of heat, a little bit of salt, like a turkey in the oven. So I just keep cooking. Cooking. A little bit of cooking. Oh, look, it's getting still bad. Everybody's looking. The juices, they just keep on pouring. I'm sweating. Check it out. I'm not ignoring all the time that I put in, all the time that's cool. You know, check it out. The bird's not a fool. He sacrifices life. He's all up in the oven. Check it
It's
out.
all up in the oven.